Let me show you two ways how I'm using my natural coconut fiber. This one is pretty thick. It's easy to cut with a scissors and it has multiple layers. So one way of using it is the way I'm doing it here. I shred it up and I use it as a medium in my hydroponic system. And here's my little homemade system on the patio and it's working well. Those are bok choy and they sprouted in 2 days. Now the second way I use it is for my salad sprouts. I just soak it for about 30 minutes before I start to work with it, and then I wash it, rinse it real well, put my seeds on it, and I'm going to show you a comparison in a separate tray where I'm not using my fiber. So I set the 3 trays up the same way and you can see the daily difference with all of them, and the one with my coconut fiber is looking nice and luscious and they're doing well. So here's day 5. They're looking nice and beautiful, and as you can see the difference, I will not be growing sprouts without these fibers. And here's how I harvest my sprouts so I can reuse my coconut fiber. I pull them straight out and I wash them in some fresh water and I use my scissors to cut off the tips. And as you can see underneath the bottom that it has a lot of roots. So if you harvest it straight from the tray where you just use your scissors and clip it, then you're gonna be left with a lot of roots underneath the bottom. So I do it this way where I just pull them out so I can reuse my coconut fiber. And this is day 7. So they stay a long time with the fiber and they're all good. I'm loving it.